you need to do to make it a successful print. For real? Yep. See, look, it'll give you the perimeter, the external perimeter, internal infill, solid infill, top infill, bridge.
So it can tell you what needs to be adjusted.
It got its little thing down there. All right. So look, warning: detect print stability issues. Click more. Check the layers. See that would just fall, but here's your layers. Yeah. Right. So now you got print settings. So it's supposed to take approximately 13 hours from what the slicer program says. But well, good luck to a new 3D printer. I can't wait, but at the same time I'm a little scared. I'm spooked. I want this baby to come out wonderful. You start to see the shape. I don't know if you can tell. You'll probably see once it's done with it. Doesn't get pussy. But anyways, goodbye.
The next day.
So I just woke up. My print thing says that my little thing is done. So let's take a look-see and see how it came out. 3, 2. This looks promising. Sorta. Oh man. Definitely a lot of stuff I would smooth down, but look at that. I'll have to start scraping and hopefully I don't fuck up. Wish me luck.
I mean, it's alright, like, overrated as fuck, in my opinion. I mean, and you know what, though? That's typically how the bullshit goes, you feel me?
Somebody needs to help me. There was this bird on my driveway.